Large capacity. The 4-quart PFOA/PTFE free nonstick basket holds up to 3.2 pounds of food, perfect for family-sized meals. Cook healthier, faster and more safely than deep frying in oil, eliminating splatter, fatty oils and reducing electricity use. Healthy eating by cooking with 85% less oil for fat-free delicious meals. Same delicious flavor and crispy outer layer without the added calories. Simply add food to the basket, add a tablespoon of oil prior to adding to fry basket if desired, set temp/time, and start cooking. Adjustable time and temperature dials give you the ultimate in cooking control and versatility, allowing you to fry, bake, grill and roast all in one. A high-power convection fan envelopes food in temperatures from 176 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, and 30-minute timer automatically shuts off the Elite Gourmet Air Fryer at the end of the cooking cycle. Guilt-free frying lets you enjoy crispy veggie chips, fish fillets, chicken tenders and more without fatty oils. Includes a cooking guide with delicious and healthy recipes to get you started. Cool touch handle lets you safely remove and serve air-fried foods. The exterior of the Elite Gourmet Air Fryer is easy to clean and retains its pristine condition using just a damp cloth. ETL approved 1350 watt/120V air fryer is ideal for home kitchen use. Removable, dishwasher safe and PFOA/PTFE free nonstick coated air fryer pan with rack for fast, easy cleanup. Your USA-based customer support team lets you buy with confidence. The Elite Gourmet Air Fryer includes the air fryer base, removable drawer pan, removable rack, instruction manual with cooking guide and tasty recipes. Top reviews from the United States. Great for travel. So I got this little guy for when I travel. I stick to a very consistent clean diet and air frying is just too convenient to not use it. Firstly, I love this, it's no frills or anything fancy and takes a little bit of guesswork on timing, but honestly it's pretty nice for the price. I've used this about 5x a day for a week, cooking various things like fish, ground beef patties, veggies and french fries. For the kiddos, it holds a very good amount of french fries, 2 to 3 servings worth. I've cooked up to 5 ounces of fish in there, a good half-pound sized burger cooks will in there also. No complaints so far. I will say the first 10-15x you will use this, it does have a new appliance smell to it, but it does eventually go away, I promise. The pictures of foods with times on top are not buttons, they are suggested cook times for reference. The bottom tray cleans very well with just water and a soft cloth.